Start first by uploading your file. SIwave supports so many formats in the import, like IPC2581 or ODB++. It also supports EDB. EDB, if you have Altium, you can install ANSYS add-in. We prefer the IPC2581 or the ODB++ because it's easy to handle. Once you upload the file, go to Home, check your stackup, make sure the stackup is correct. You can also check your components, capacitors, inductors, and resistors. Make sure that you have them all and they are all active. This is very important. You can also check your pad stack. This is for VS definitions, different. You can also check your layout, one layer at a time. You can check the traces, you can check the planes, you can check the vias, you can check the circuit elements RLC, or you can check any discrete component. Launch the PI wizard. Select your power plane and assign ports. To configure simulation. Now the ports has been added to your system. Close the PI wizard. Go to simulation and select compute SYZ parameter from the PSI section. Select your frequency band and launch. We can look at the results now, exactly like we do with the SYZ solver. You can compare the results to the SYZ. And that's the difference between the two. So the PSI solver uses a finite element solver. It's different than the solver used by the standard SYZ solver in SIwave. So it doesn't use any approximations, but it doesn't refine the mesh. It uses prism kind of elements, but it doesn't refine the mesh. So it's less accurate than HFSS. It's only good for low frequency kind of applications like power integration, PI.